You love Gobi Manchurian? Well, say hello to Manchurian Fries. Crispy French fries coated in a spicy sweet sauce. You won't be able to stop at just one. So this is the recipe that came about when I wanted Gobi Manchurian one day, but did not have the time or energy to make it. So I went to my freezer, I pulled out some frozen French fries, and that is when, my friends, Manchurian fries were born. Equally delicious, faster, and again, the sauce, it makes my mouth water. I can't wait to share this with you. And we're gonna start by frying our fries, okay? So I have frozen French fries here, everyday frozen French fries. You can use any type that you want. And I'm gonna pop them into my air fryer to fry. Now, if you prefer, you can deep fry your fries or even pop them in the oven, but I love the air fryer because it's super convenient. And we're gonna cook them until they're super duper crispy because you want them to hold up in the sauce. While our fries are cooking, we're gonna work on our sauce. This sauce is sticky, it's sweet, and it clings to the fries really, really beautifully. I have a wok here, and to it, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil as well as some finely minced onions. We're gonna saute them off until they're nice and soft and translucent. Then I'm gonna grate in some fresh garlic, some fresh ginger, and scatter in some minced green chilies, which are gonna add such a great amount of heat. We're gonna saute them until they're nice and fragrant. Now comes all of the other ingredients. We're going in with some ketchup, strained tomato sauce, sugar for sweetness, vinegar for a bit of tang, soy sauce, and salt to taste. Now I'm gonna stir everything to combine, and this comes together so quickly. It only takes about 5 to 7 minutes for it to become super thick and glossy. Now I'm gonna take my crispy French fries, toss them in the sauce until they're nice and coated. And lastly, all that's left to do is garnish with chopped fresh coriander and green onions. And just like that, our Manchurian fries are done. As this was cooking, my mouth was watering. I could smell the vinegar, the sugar. Oh, I cannot wait to dig into these fries. Let me grab one. Oh, looks perfect. I know I say it all the time, but it's so good. Flavor on flavor on flavor. That is the best way to describe this dish. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's tangy. I mean, the Manchurian sauce is just gold. I mean, you could spread that on cardboard and it would make cardboard taste delicious. It's so good. But paired with crispy French fries, it's chef's kiss. I don't know what else to tell you to convince you to make this dish, but you have got to try it. The next time you're looking to elevate your French fry game, or you don't have time to make the classic Gobi Manchurian, try this out. You won't regret it.